What is your favorite part of furniture flipping? Hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know.
I'm calling on the God of Jacob, whose love endures